Hi there. I want to talk you through an example of a sales interactive that we built for a client, JSP, who are a UK-based global leader in the manufacture and design of above-the-neck PPE. Now, JSP have a very broad product portfolio, specifically targeted at different sectors and job roles. When the sales team are out on the road, it's key for them, one, to have access to all of this documentation and portfolio, no matter whether they've got internet access or not. Two, because of the nature of the products being safety related, the standards are quite regularly updated, so the information that they have absolutely must be the current and latest. Okay, so let me walk you through the experience. So when you first go in, you're presented with the 5 top level categories for head protection. So let's say I'm interested in helmets specifically. I can go into this landscape of all the different areas that JSP manufacture in. Let's say I'm interested in scaffolding and roofing. You'll see here on the right hand side the product list filters for that specific category. I could also go in by standards. So if I know the standard that I need to work to, I can select it, and again you'll see the products on the right filter for that specific standard. I can also click on the information which tells me more about those specific standards. So if we go back into scaffolding and then I pick a product, I then go into the product specific area where I've got a 3D model I can explore. I can also change the colours, so I have a colour configurator. And then on the left hand side we have specifications for that particular helmet, the different areas that it can be used in. I can also look at features. I can go to an image gallery, as well as videos. So this is a video about the fitting of the helmet. I could also look at the safety standards. So these are the standards specific to that particular helmet. You can also look at compatible products. So these are all the other products in the JSP range that can be used with the Evo 5. If there's a particular product that I'm interested in, I can add it to my collection basket. And similar for accessories. These are all the other accessories that will work with that particular helmet. Now, if this is a particular helmet that I'm interested in, I can then add it to a collection and it's stored up here. So when I go to my collection, on the left is a list of all the products that I was interested in and which I've tagged. I can enter in my email details, and then I can actually send those specific products direct to my email, and it will send all the technical information, the standards, product conformity, all the documentation I would need as a customer for that particular product. This sales interactive works both online and offline, so it doesn't matter if you're on site with a customer and there's no internet, you can still access all the information. It also works across any device. So you can see here it's on a big touch screen or on an iPad, a laptop, and also on a mobile phone as well. And sitting behind the interactive is a content management system which lets JSP update any of the content within the experience. From the safety standards, new products, images, videos, they have access to everything. And any change they make in the CMS is instantly reflected in every experience out there in the field. And also combined with that are the data and analytics. So every interaction a customer makes or a sales rep with the experience is fed back to JSP HQ, where they can see exactly what customers are interested in, what they've emailed them to themselves, every aspect of the experience. For JSP, we've also created multilingual versions. So they have a version they can give to their sales teams across Europe. They can also run multiple versions simultaneously. So in some cases, JSP have provided specific versions of the interactive to customers, which has had the content cut down to just those areas that that customer would be interested in. So they don't need to then get back in touch with JSP. They have their own tool for actually going through the catalogue and working out what they need on a specific project. So if you want to find out a little bit more about how an interactive could possibly help with your business, please just get in touch, because we always love discussing ideas and talking to new clients and trying things out. Thank you very much.